Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to customize home screen on iOS or iPhone. So the home screen is what you see right now on this video. So this is the home screen or my home screen. So this home screen will be containing the application that I oftenly used and also the application that I just installed from the App Store. So you can also decide either the application that you just installed is being show up on the home screen or not by visit the settings. And now just need to scrolling down until you found the home screen right here, and then you just need to go click it. And now there will be an options here. The newly downloaded apps will be added into the home screen or add into the app library only. So if you choose the add to home screen, whenever you install the new application, this application will be pop up on the screen. But then if you are not choosing this, so the application will be hidden and saved into the app library. And for the next things, to organize your home screen, you can also track and organize the position of the application. So how the way to do that, you just need to click, hold, and give a little bit movement over the application until those applications start to be shaking. And now you can just drag it into the specific positions that you want to place the application. And after you're done, you just need to go click done, and here you go, you already organize your home screen. So that is the way, guys, how to organize home screen on iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.